In this chapter, we will learn about figures on the same base and between the same parallel lines, parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallel lines, triangles on the same base and between the same parallel lines. Here we will learn about area of parallelograms and triangles. Part of the plane enclosed by a simple closed figure is called a planar region corresponding to that figure. The magnitude or measure of the planar region is called its area. This magnitude is always expressed with the help of some number in some unit. Two figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and the same size. If two figures A and B are congruent, they must have equal areas. However, the converse of this statement is not true. That is, if two regions have equal areas, then it is not necessary that they are congruent. Axioms on areas. If A and B are two congruent planar regions, that is, A is congruent to B, then area of A is equal to area of B. If a planar region R is made up of two non-overlapping planar regions S and T, then area of R is equal to area of S plus area of T. Figures on the same base and between the same parallel. If two geometric figures have a common side, we say that they are on the same base. Let us observe the following examples. In the animation, triangle ABC and triangle A-BC have side BC in common. Or we can say that both the triangles are on the same base. Similarly, parallelogram ABCD and A-BCD- are on the same base BC. Two geometric figures are said to be on the same base and between the same parallels if they have a common side, base, and the vertices or the vertex opposite to the common base of each figure lie on a line parallel to the base. In the animation, all the figures are on the same base AB and between the same parallel lines AB and DE. The following figures are not on the same base, but they are between the same parallels.